Welcome to the Lake of the Ozarks. This is a premier destination known for its beautiful lake that offers more shoreline than the state of California.
Lake of the Ozarks offers recreational opportunities and a vibrant community where people are moving from all over the country to call this place home. Lake of the Ozarks is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering world-class boating, fishing, and water sports. The time is now to buy one of the best lakefront developments to ever hit the market. The location of this property doesn't get much better. It sits in the heart of Lake Ozark while maintaining privacy and exclusivity. This property is listed by the Gibson Grind Real Estate Network. Discover this extraordinary opportunity with this expansive 8-acre property that caters to both commercial and residential aspirations. Boasting 596 feet of pristine lake frontage, complete with a concrete golf cart path and a boardwalk to access the waterfront, and has 550 feet of highway frontage alongside Bagnell Dam Boulevard. This property offers both high visibility and secluded waterfront privacy. The topography features stunning bluffs and mature trees, creating a backdrop that is as functional as it is breathtaking. With its spectacular views and its unique and unconventional characteristics, it stands ready for the visionary to develop it into a residential paradise and/or a thriving business hub. Whether your aspirations involve the development of luxury villas, condominiums, or a boutique hotel, this property's distinctive mixed-use zoning impeccably accommodates such endeavors. Experience the perfect blend of accessibility and solitude in one of the most coveted locations at Lake of the Ozarks.
Guys, this is the last prime mixed-use development here at the Lake of the Ozarks. This is not just a property though. It's the foundation to build a legacy for yourself here at the Lake of the Ozarks.
For more information and to schedule a private tour, give us a call today. We are the Gibson Grind Real Estate Network.